I am Kunal Savla, Director of Value Retail, and Hazel belongs to our D2C brand. So we are into completely kitchenware solution, and we provide all the kitchenware products across the organized retail in India. I mean, you can find our assortment on Amazon, Blinkit, Flipkart, and multiple e-commerce and quick commerce websites. It's the first time we are participating in any of the retail outlet, and it's a good learning for us. A lot of customers are trying to understand how come the one brand has such a big assortment of kitchenware within them. So this is a good platform for us where we are showcasing our bakeware range as well to the customers who are moving around, and it's a good, good place to be showcase your bakeware assortment at least to the home bakers of the industry. So I'm very happy to be part of this. This show. Yeah, thank you very much.